Okay, see you. Bye.
Ate, I think I'm really sick.
Okay. Teka, the best and the brainy way to deal with this is to call the doctor. Hi, Doc.
Good afternoon, Marcia.
I think my sister's got a virus in her system. What do we do?
Well, if she has a virus in her system, it's probably because your IT administrators were unable to enforce super strong security policies while being flexible enough para makakonect pa rin with other users internally or externally. Baka na-infect siya.
Translation.
The Network Policy and Access Services in Windows Server 2008 provides network connectivity solutions gaya ng una, Network Access Protection or NAP, which is a new client health policy, creation, enforcement, and remediation technology na available for Windows XP, Windows Vista, and syempre for Windows Server 2008 operating system. This automatically enforces health policies like software requirements, security update requirements, at iba pang settings. Number 2, ang highly secure wireless and wired access naman provides wireless users with a security-enhanced, password-based authentication method through 802.1x wireless access points, while deployment of 802.1x authenticating switches helps secure the network for wired access. Kasi it uses the Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol or DHCP in authenticating intranet users bago sila maka-access. Number 3, Remote Access Solutions naman provides users with VPN and traditional dial-up access sa organization network and allows you to connect to branch offices and deploy software routers on your network. Number 4, Central Network Policy Management with Radius Server and Proxy allows you to create policies in a single location. Hindi na yung nagko-configure ka pa ng network access policies sa iba't ibang servers. Tapos, you can specify pa which is allowed to connect at yung high level ng security they must use to connect to your network.
Ang di ko lang alam, how this all going to help?
Here's more. Dahil sa bagong operating system ng Microsoft, ang Network Access Protection, sigurado kang your computers meet administrator-defined requirements para healthy ang system mo from malicious software such as virus and worms na nakakasira ng programs if left unprotected. Oh, and before I forget, there's the Windows Firewall with Advanced Security, which combines Windows Firewall with Internet Protocol Security or IPsec in a single tool. Pinapalakas nito ang dalawang functions that were previously separate in earlier Windows servers. Ang una, ang pag-filter ng lahat ng IP version 4 or IPv4 and IP version 6 or IPv6 traffic entering and leaving the file system. So lahat ng incoming traffic unless response siya to the previous outgoing request is blocked. Ang pangalawa, protecting traffic entering or exiting the computer by using IPsec protocol to verify the integrity of network traffic and provide confidentiality. Mas madali na siya ngayon at mas secure than previous incarnations.
Sales Key, is this you?
Yes, Marcia?
Thank you. Ang dami kong natutunan about keeping a healthy system. But I'm talking about Cindy's system. She's really sick.
Yikes! Why don't you call a doctor?
Hi.